and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and it's shop launch goodies time. So the shop launch for this month of limited edition and some of the new products is February the 9th, Friday the 9th at 9 p.m. GMT. So Greenwich Mean Time. So if you need to know what time that is where you are, just pop into Google 9 p.m. GMT in and then whatever your time zone is, and it will let you know. But we have a couple of new to the shop items, and then we have our limited edition, which I am very excited about this month. But firstly, let's talk about the things that are available in the shop now that are new. So two things I have got, is it one or is it two? I can't remember when one of them was released, but I haven't got them here, but it's the Paint Gem stickers and cover and the bundle sets for the Paint Gem mini sets for Mystery 3 and National Parks 4. I can't remember if National Parks 4 was up last launch, but they are both in the shop and available whenever you want those. What we've also done, which has just gone up in the last day or two, is people have asked for stickers and things for the new Diamond Art Club 6,000 numbers. So for the 54 stickers, which are the big long ones that go on the top of your cardstock, these are a separate item because we can't fit them on the same sheet with the ABs. There's just too many of them. So you do get these blank ones for any future ones that they may throw in there or any other diamonds that you have. But if you do want the printed numbers of the 6,000s, we have them available in all the colourways as a separate sheet, say in all colourways, but they are available, and you can get the AB ones as well if you want to use the same numbers that Diamond Art Club do. That works for people that only use Diamond Art Club or don't want to convert them into their DMC number. But these 6,000 numbers are new numbers. They're not something that you can convert into a standard DMC number. So we have the stickers for that. In relation to the smaller stickers, so the little square or round ones, the small ones, and then we've got the round ones, we have added them onto the AB sheet. So it's the Diamond Art Club AB and 6,000s. For a short period of time, the shop will have both. So you can either choose to have just the AB sheet, or you can have the AB sheet with the 6,000s. That's just until we go through our current printed stock of just the ABs. So do pay attention to which one if you're wanting the 6,000 numbers. Of course, if you've already got the AB sheet, you have plenty of blank ones and you can always number them yourself if that's what you prefer. It really is up to you, but I know some people do like them printed. So we have done them in both, and there's no limit on the stock for these, so they are available in the shop now, but if you are buying on launch day, they will be available, so no need to go manic buying. Our new item though, this will be releasing with the limited edition, and while it's not, oh, focus camera, come on, here, thank you. While it's not limited in the fact of once the stock's gone, it's gone, we do only have a certain amount of stock before we need to put a reorder in with our supplier. So we're not releasing these until everything else releases to give everybody a chance to get them all together. But you may know that we have our cover paper holders. So they go like this, that hold our cover paper sheets. So I have one here in the pink with my plain cover paper sheets in, but you can also pop our printed cover paper sheets, even in their wallets, will all fit in here so that you can keep your sheets together. So that is our normal stock colour range that we have, but these have been very popular recently due to our new printed cover paper sheets with multiple different designs, that we decided to get a few more colours in our latest restock. So our new colours are a gorgeous beige, another sort of nice neutral one, along with our black if you're not a colour person. But then we have a gorgeous yellow, a nice royal blue, a hot pink. Is that actually coming up? It is a hot pink. It looks a little bit peachy on camera, but it's not. And then a gorgeous lime green. So we've added to our colour range collection to bring you a few more different hues of colours. I know some people like to keep their cover paper in these and they may theme it. So I'm actually wondering whether to do the same myself because at the moment I'm not using my Christmas cover paper, for example, or my autumn. So I'm actually thinking of using these two and using a red one for my Christmas cover paper to sit in and this one for my autumn Halloween cover paper to sit in. And I'm not sure whether I'm going to split some of my others up according to sort of colour-ish or whether to do by design. But anyway, we've brought a few more colours out for you. If these do go out of stock, rest assured we have ordered a set amount in, but we are planning on putting another order in with our supplier as soon as we see how these colours go to restock any of these that may go out of stock or get low. And of course we've already restocked a good amount of our standard or our original colours as well. If there is any colours in these that you would like to see, let us know. If they do fit in with our range and it is something we feel like it's missing that colour a little bit, then we'll be happy to look at potentially adding even more colours to these when we place our order. So these will be launching on Friday, but they will be a stock item, so you will be able to get them in the future. Now to the limited edition. In fact, let me put them there so that the camera can actually focus on something. Limited edition this month. Very excited. We've got an absolute gorgeous colour theme going on for February. But I am happy to announce this is our first striped tray for launch. So this one is purple and pink. Very lovely Valentine's-y. So it starts with purple, then has a stripe of pink, purple, pink, purple. But if you look at the bottom of the tray, the base of the tray is purple, but the lines are pink. So it's not whichever angle you hold it at, it is solid purple on the bottom and pink on the top. And we have that available in both the Add More Zest size and the Zesty size. This was visible in our Add More Zest shop tour, but I don't think the stripe really reflected on that. But if you go back and look, you will see it is a stripe. So we have those two. We do have both colours of Trashy available. The stripe didn't transpose onto these quite as well, but we do have each colour. So these are the two colours that make up that stripe tray. So we have those two available in our Touch of Zest. Our limited pen for this month is a gorgeous pink and purple, matches very nice to these two colours. This is one of the thicker resin pens. It's got some gorgeous pretty gold flecks in there as well, gold and silver. By the looks of a little bit of iridescent, a little bit of different sparkle going on. You can choose to get your pen with or without the plastic tips, so if you already have plenty or don't use them, you don't have to get this with them. There's no extra charge if you do or don't. It's just a matter of not getting something you're not going to use. So they are our limited edition. Once the stock of these has gone, the stock has gone. But they will be, you'll be able to see all of these on the website as this video's gone up. So you'll be able to have a look at them all on the website, and launch is on Friday. And then we have 5 new designs of our printed cover paper. Now, with our printed cover paper, we work just a little bit differently. So while it is limited, we will ensure we will print to order up until the end of February. So if you order between the 9th and the 29th of February, you will be able to get all these designs. Following the end of the month, we will have a look at the sales. If any of these seem to have done exceedingly well, we may move them into our current stock range. Otherwise, we will update the stock to reflect how many we have ready to go, and once they're gone, they're gone. But we have lipstick kisses. So we've got lipstick and lip designs on this one. We have some pink doodle flowers, a couple of really nice shades of pink. We have makeup. I love this one, it's so funky. With a mascara, lipstick, nail polish, etc. And in each of these you do get 16 sheets, pre-cut to 7.5 centimetres by 10 centimetres, and they do come in these reusable plastic wallets that you can then just slip in to the pouches. Then we have purple leaves. I'm expecting this one to be a popular one, but a few different shapes of gorgeous leaves, primarily in purple. And then we have some lilac flowers as well, with a gorgeous lilac background. So yeah, they are our limited editions for this month. I think it's an absolutely gorgeous set this month, but maybe it's because it's pinks and purples, who knows. But yeah, these will all be available on our website admorezest.com, which there is the link in the description below. They go live at 9 PM GMT on Friday the 9th of February. I think what we did last month worked really well. So you will find that the shop will be closed about 2 minutes to 9, so you will just see a screen saying it's coming soon, and then come 9 o'clock the shop will go live again with all the stock available. So if you do want to add any regular stock items to your basket ready for launch, just make sure it's done well before 2 minutes to 9, and then 2 minutes to 9 we will hide the shop while we update all stock levels, and then reopen so you can all go for it and get what you want. But yeah, let me know your thoughts down below. We're really happy and proud with our gorgeous stripe tray. It makes me smile every single time I take some of these off the printer, but yeah, they are beautiful and very nice to work with. But yeah, let me know your comments down below. What is your favourite? What is it that you're looking forward to? And thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.